Dear friends, this is Naqib from the Spicy Recipes. I hope you're fine and healthy in these coronavirus days. It's the 10th of the Ramadan. I'm not going to show you any recipe. I'm going to show you my sehri, what I eat, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my videos. I choose egg and chickpeas because they're good sources of protein, and tomatoes and cucumbers, they are good sources of water. And these two, rice and potatoes, they are good sources of carbohydrates. Tomatoes and cucumbers will help you not to get thirsty in early times of day, and the protein and the carbohydrates will help you to be more energetic in the Ramadan. And not just for Ramadan, these things are also good for daily lives, and that they are doing practice in gym. That is what I suggest. You can eat everything you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my videos.